The rapid rise of online gambling in the Philippines means a casino is always just a tap away, sitting right in your pocket. For those trying to stop, that constant access turns recovery into an isolated uphill battle against their own devices. That is where Bantay Pusta comes in. It's the first digital recovery platform and gambling blocker built specifically by and for Filipinos. Built on the values of responsibilidad, pamilya, and pagbabago, the app provides the technical structure needed to protect your loved ones, centering the journey on personal choice and steady growth. As you navigate the app, you'll be guided by Sheldon. He acts as a digital guardian and a steady companion, stepping in with motivation right when the urges hit. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to configure these blocking tools so your device remains a reliable ally in your recovery. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. Search for Bantay Pusta and tap Download. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be greeted by the welcome screen, where you can simply press Get Started. Next, you'll create a private account. Enter a valid email address and set a secure password so your settings remain locked and entirely under your control. Before the app takes over, you have to make a choice. The system will prompt you to manually uninstall any betting or casino apps you already have on your device to make space for your recovery. By creating a secure account and clearing out the old triggers yourself, you give the automated shield the clean slate it needs to work effectively. Now, we activate the shield. The app will walk you through a 6-step setup wizard. These device permissions are the core of the system. They ensure the blocker cannot be easily bypassed. First, the VPN service creates a local on-device filter, intercepting any attempts to access gambling domains. Because this happens locally, your privacy is protected. The app doesn't track browsing history, and no personal web traffic is sent to external servers. Next, you'll enable usage access. This allows the system to instantly detect if a restricted gambling app is launched on the phone. You also need to allow display over other apps. If a betting site is triggered, this is what lets Bantay Pusta drop a block screen directly over the restricted content. Finally, we need to address a common technical issue. Modern smartphones are designed to close background apps to save battery life. If your phone forces Bantay Pusta to sleep, the shield drops. To prevent this, follow the prompt to open your phone's settings and change Bantay Pusta's battery usage profile to unrestricted. With permissions granted and battery settings updated, the shield is locked in place, ready to stop a momentary urge before it turns into an action. Setup is now complete. When you return to the home screen, you'll see a live count of the thousands of gambling sites currently being blocked for you. In the protection module, the attempts blocked counter shows intercepted links. Below that, your recovery streak turns clean time into a visible milestone. Finally, the green Protection Active badge confirms all systems are fully operational. Watching the blocked attempts rise while your recovery streak grows provides concrete, visual proof of your increasing resilience. The blocker is only half the solution. Tap on the Recovery tab to access a suite of tools designed to provide active companionship. Here, use the Money Tracker to see cash you've saved, or the Recovery Journal to process your daily thoughts. Under the Community tab, you'll find Sheldon's Shelter. This is a moderated, secure forum where you can share your story and draw strength from others on the exact same journey. Faster, more urgent tone. If you experience a severe crisis or overwhelming urge, tap the red Panic Alert button. This interface allows you to instantly trigger an SMS notification to a trusted codependent, ensuring you get immediate human support when you need it most. Long-term wellness combines this rigid technological shield with the reach of a compassionate human support network. Because new gambling platforms pop up daily, technology alone can't catch everything. If a site slips through, use the Report Unblocked Site tool. Just enter the URL and hit Submit. Once verified, that site is blocked globally for every user. The tools are ready when you are. Open your App Store, download Bantay Pusta, set up your shield, and reclaim control of your device. By taking responsibility for your own recovery, your actions help protect an entire community. Block, recover, empower.